Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing tips for the removal and replacement of the vacuum regulating valve on this 2025 Toyota Tacoma with the 2.4 liter engine. If you find my tips to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Now let's get started. The vacuum regulating valve is located in the center of your screen at the tip of my red pointer. Some of the symptoms associated with a faulty valve include rough idle, hesitation, stalling, reduced fuel economy, loss of power, and a check engine light with trouble codes P0400, P0401, 402, 403, 404, and 405. Our supply list is pretty short. You'll need a new valve, 10mm socket with ratchet. Please see other items in the description below. So you might ask, what does this part do? This part regulates and recirculates exhaust gases so they can be more efficiently burnt. So let's go ahead and move forward with the removal of the valve. So there are two 10mm bolts that have to be removed. There's a screw located on the top, and then there's a screw located beneath. It's kind of hard to see. I've already removed those bolts, but the screws are attached to the engine. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the electrical connector. As always, you're gonna squeeze, push towards the valve, and then pull away. There you go. And I'm going to tell you right now, I removed the electrical connector for the exhaust variable valve timing solenoid so that we can access the vacuum hoses and pull this valve out. Okay, so now I'm in the process of pulling the valve out. Just wiggle it back and forth. Once you get it out so far, now you're going to push it towards the passenger side of the vehicle, but behind this bundle of wires, okay? And there you have it. So there's your two vacuum hoses, and here's your pro tip. Mark one of the hoses with some identifying marks both on the valve itself and on the hose. So you can see I put two dash marks right here, two dash marks on that particular hose. Okay, that helps me put them back in the right location. This is your vacuum regulating valve. So just inspecting it from top to bottom. There's your electrical connections right there. I don't see any cracks. Everything looks fine. There's your Toyota part number. It's that 258 number. There's no cracks here. Doesn't shake or rattle. This is one of the primary regulators for the EGR, and it should last at least probably 150,000 miles. I've already given you the codes, and I've shown you where it's located. This engine is very sophisticated. It has a lot of vacuum hoses, valves, and things like that. And so one of the reasons that I put together this playlist is so that you guys could, find some help, because this is a very popular engine. It's used across several product lines for both Toyota and Lexus. And so I'm hoping you guys get some value out of this. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this valve. Reconnecting the vacuum hoses. Okay, threading it back through behind the wire bundle. Sliding it on. Screws. There's a little catch here for holding a vacuum hose. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and mount the screws. And this gets a little tricky, and it's getting a little late in the day here. So I'm going to slow down a bit and make sure that I don't drop these screws, because that's what happens when I rush things. I'm just going to use my left hand, come right over the front of the vehicle and press that screw into place. And I'm going to leave pressure on it until I get at least 5 or 6 threads. I want to do that in a way that you guys can see me doing it. Okay, now that I have it about halfway threaded on, I can come in with just my deep socket and get it on hand tight. Okay. That was the easy one. So the next one, I'm not going to take any chances. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of painter's tape to the inside of this socket. And what that's going to do is tighten up the inner diameter of the socket. See that? Put that bolt on there, and now I can slide it up onto the screw and not be so concerned about dropping that bolt, because I'm kind of in the blind. All right, so that's a pro tip for you guys. All right, it's working. That bolt is on hand tight. Now I'm going to tighten both bolts using my ratchet. Maybe about 5 pound-feet of torque. Okay, our hoses are in place, our bolts are in place. I'm going to reconnect my VVT. There we go. Everything looks fine. And lastly, I'm going to reconnect the electrical connector for the valve itself. And you always want to look at the gasket and the female connectors. They look good. Slide it in place, listen for the click. Give it a tug. And there you have it. Well, folks, that wraps up my review of the vacuum regulating valve on this 2025 Toyota Tacoma with the 2.4 liter engine. I hope you found my tips to be helpful. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, drive defensively.